Hello and welcome back to a Pixified tutorial. Today we'll be creating this question and answer Instagram reel in Canva. This can be completely done in the free version of Canva and is perfect for beginners to advanced users. Okay, let's jump straight in. Firstly, we need to open up a template. Go to the search bar and type in reel. We'll start with a blank Canva slide. We'll add a mobile frame by going to Elements and searching for frames. Scroll down until you see the mobile. We'll place that in the center of the slide. Now we just need to fill it with a video. I have pre-uploaded this glitching timer video that I'll use. I also have another video on how to make a glitching timer if you're interested. I will link that below in the description. Now we'll add a text box. Go to Shapes and search for the rectangle with the round edges. We'll now add some text. Once you've typed out the question, we'll change the text to something bold, such as League Spartan. Before I go any further, I'll just make a few adjustments to the size of the phone and the text box. We'll also animate the text by adding the typewriter effect. This looks pretty good, so we'll now duplicate the slide to create the second part of this reel. To save time, simply duplicate the text box and type in the answer to the question. This is looking pretty good now, so we'll just make a few final adjustments to the colour of the background and the colour of the text boxes. I'll make the background pop with this bright purple and change the text boxes to pink and yellow. Don't forget to make these changes on both slides. Finally, we'll need to turn the animations off on the question box on the second slide. Once you're happy with how this looks, simply download it in MP4 format. And here is the final result. We really hope you enjoyed this quick and simple Instagram Reel tutorial. We release new videos weekly, so please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we cannot wait to see you in our next video.